is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. You can see guys, I have a box in front of me at my hand. This is OptiTech from Italy, Italian design, lovely looking box. This is original one I have bought. So let's see how it is. I bought exactly from the showroom of OptiTech. Let me open this box. Lovely looking chain. Even you see here in the zip you have the logo. So this is important thing of the branding. Let me take this off. You have a cotton to clean and you have the glass. Wow, my god, it's beautiful looking round shaped glass. You can see guys, look at this guys, look at the logo here. Magnificent, beautiful. Here more things is written, OptiTech branding, other information number, other information is written. You can see the logo here of OptiTech, Italian shadow here. Wow, beautiful glass, to be honest. Dark black, glossy, shining shade. You can see a little bit purple. Let's test the glass if it's polarized or not. Here I have a paper. You can see here polarized test, and here is the glass. You don't see anything, very light. Using the glass you can read something here, you see. So the glass is polarized. This is a good test, so original one. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.